For people with eczema, dry skin is a big trigger. And so trying to keep your skin moisturized is a huge part of managing your eczema. Think about using cream or an ointment rather than lotions. It's not that lotions are bad, but they're generally very lightweight, and so they may not be as moisturizing enough if you have eczema. Creams are thicker and tend to give a little bit more of a moisturizing feel after using it. Finally, you want to look for moisturizers that are fragrance-free. While it's nice to open up a bottle and smell a fresh scent of flowers or something else in your cream, sometimes that fragrance can be a trigger for people with eczema, and so your best bet is to get a fragrance-free cream while you're choosing your moisturizer. So in addition to fragrance, some ingredients that could be irritating on the skin might include dyes, exfoliants like alpha hydroxy acids or salicylic acids, and some preservatives, which may be a trigger for some people with eczema. There's a lot of skincare brands and a lot of options out there, and sometimes shopping can be intimidating, particularly if you have eczema and there's a lot of things that you have to keep in mind. I will say, and I often tell my patients, it's not necessarily going to be the most expensive cream that's best for you, but focus on the ingredients and focus on the things that you know you need to avoid when you're going out to choose a good moisturizer for your skin.